So today I am in Yokohama with Nismo. We are at the Chinatown. We're gonna
Once again.
Yeah, we were here before. There's an old video from like what?
December 2023.
Yeah.
Which is when we first met.
Yes.
Yeah. So the weather's not too good here, but it's tolerable. It's bustling with people, very lively.
And it's raining a little bit.
Yeah, as I said. The weather was bad, and some of the electronic lights are on, the ones that are programmed to kind of move around like this. So yeah, it's overall it's very good here.
All right, let's see what we can. Let's find something to eat.
Sure thing.
It's sunset right now, and this is when the Chinatown really comes up and alive. Ooh.
As you can see, there's so many people here. Absolutely busy, you know. Full of energy, you know, many people buying things, enjoying their food in the souvenir shops and whatnot. Yeah, it's a recommended spot.
Let's look down this street. This one looks pretty lively.
Yeah, and if we look at the top here, you can see those sort of lantern, whatever they're called, very, I think they're almost exclusive to China, even though we can see them here in Japan.
I saw a lot of those in Taiwan and in Thailand.
Yeah, it reminds me of those things that you light up. I think the Chinese and the Taiwanese, like, they light them and then they let them go, they rise into the air, something like that.
Let's try this place.
One we have never been to before.
Miko. Looks like they got a lot of different great things on the menu.
Yeah, quite a nice variety of, soups. I'm not sure this is so kind of cooked tofu dishes.
It's like a tofu salad, I guess.
Yeah, it looks very nice. We have some, meat dishes. So, for example, Szechuan with peanuts, stir fried, some things with chili sauce.
There's a lot of things to choose from at this restaurant.
Absolutely.
Here's some fried shrimp in the chili sauce. Oh boy, those look so good. I'm so excited to try this one.
Dinner's just arrived. I got them.
Alright, let me try one of these delicious looking shrimps. Boy, that sauce is thick.
That's a chili sauce. So what are your thoughts?
Oh wow, it tastes amazing. The shrimp just break apart. They got good flavor. And I really like the chili sauce because it's like not too spicy, it's kind of mild. So Luke, how's the beef rice?
Yeah, very good. Beef is very well cooked. The rice is lovely. No complaints. Very simple. Nice and hot. Very healthy.
What's this other thing you got?
Roast pork noodles. Probably my personal favorite. So what we have inside, we have some, I think this might be, not lettuce, but some kind of leaf or vegetable, along with some just roast pork here, and our noodles.
I think the greens might be spinach, but I don't know.
I'm not sure what this is. I personally don't eat it. Well, I might try it today. Yeah, it's a fantastic dish. Nice and hot.
All right. Here's some fried rice with shrimps. All right, let's give this a try. All right, here's some rice.
And your verdict?
They've definitely got the rice seasoned. It tastes really good. Let's get a shrimp in with this bite.
Sure thing.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys, so here, I'm going to get a dessert. I'm going to get some sesame balls. So, 6 for 500?
はい、セールス前入る。
Okay.
Okay, one.
Yes.
はい。
いくらですか?
500.
Okay.
What's this?
Yes. I just like excuses to speak Japanese.
Always good.
So it looks like he's making them over there. And those look like some pretty big sesame balls, too.
Yeah, absolutely. Judging by the poster here, they do look pretty big. They came very quickly.
No plan at all.
I mean, I was going if you want to go. Beautiful. He bags them up for you. All right, I'm gonna have to try one of these.
Okay, let's see what you think.
Let's see if I can avoid blocking the way for other people while I try one of these.
Okay, so I will stand here. I must try and avoid it myself.
Wow, these look delicious.
They look pretty big.
Yeah, they are big. I hope they're not too hot. Oh, they might be.
Is that hot?
A little hot, but it's good. It's got like a...
So tell me about the contents.
Oh, that's a black sesame paste. I don't think that's red bean.
So this is different compared to the previous ones.
Yeah,
Not bad, so you're trying something new.
not bad.
That's very, very good. Yeah. I see they gave you a skewer stick as well to help you. A very convenient piece of equipment for when you're eating things like that.
How's the ice cream?
Yeah, it's good. Just vanilla and chocolate. 380 yen. Very cheap.
Not bad.
Very nice. Nice mixture. Nice
Okay.
blend.
All right, so it's another day here in Yokohama.
Chinatown.
Yep, I'm here with Nismo again, and we just found a stall where they're serving up some pearl tea.
So we have quite a variety. So as you just said, he's gonna go for the pearl tea. See what it's like.
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get this one here for 500 yen.
Hot or cold?
Cold. One pearl milk tea. Let's give this a try. No, it's cold. It's good. Very good.
That's the main thing.
It's a little sweet, not too sweet. I really like it.
So if you were here in, say, August, when it's really, really hot, this kind of stuff would come in very, very well.
It would, yeah.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, I just got some candied grapes at this stall.
What do you think? Oh, I can see like some kind of gel on that, or whatever it is.
Yeah, candied sugar glaze.
Ah,
Really good.
that's good. Is it sweet?
Yeah,
Nice sweet, that's all the better.
it's kind of a natural sweetness.
Oh, that's good. That would indicate it might be better for your health. So, was it candied grapes and pearl milk tea?
Yeah.
Not a bad combination, huh?
Well, here's the restaurant over here. We'll check this place out and see if it looks any good.
But, not out of malice, but just to save money. Oh, noodle soup.
This place doesn't look super cheap.
No, it's probably one of the more prestigious restaurants. If you look at the ornaments on the right-hand side there next to the menu, you can probably tell that says something about this place.
Yeah. So here's a place I guess we're gonna try. I guess it's called Number One. And I guess for just under 2,000 yen, I guess there's a buffet. You get all sorts of good stuff.
Quite the variety, huh?
Yeah.
Let us proceed.
Oh, I guess we go upstairs. Isn't that gonna be fun? So we've got, I think, what, 6 different things. We've got some Peking Duck, stir-fried eggplant with minced meat and chili sauce, shrimp and chili sauce,
Fried shrimp with the heads on them, and some noodles and roast barbecue pork.
looks yummy.
It's lovely.
Alright guys, so this is some delicious Beijing Kaoya, meaning Peking duck. And I guess they've got the vegetables here, they've got some duck fat. You basically just put everything into this, almost like a little sandwich.
Or a wrap almost.
Yeah, I guess a wrap.
You looking forward to trying it? I assume you are.
Yeah. So I guess we can close it like that. And then they give you some sort of brown sauce. I think you just squeeze a little bit of that brown sauce in there.
I
Oh,
can't
boy.
imagine that's soy sauce. Soy sauce is more liquidy.
It's more of a sweet sauce. I think it's like a plum sauce.
What do you think?
Good. It is like Peking Duck, but it's a damn shame they give you so little of it.
That is the downside, unfortunately. Man, that was quick.
Oh. How's that soup?
Yeah, not bad at all. Very, very nice. I assume there's a bit of barbecue sauce or something in it because it's this is barbecue pork, so I assume I must have gotten into this somehow. I can't wait to try it. I must get some chopsticks first. Look at that design; it's fantastic.
It does look really good.
Oh yeah, probably my favorite dish from these places. Of course, we have the shrimp. Now, I believe that's fried shrimp with heads on them. Not the first time I've eaten that, but yeah, shrimp is really, really nice. It's really nice. Makes me think of something else. It tastes a bit like smoked mackerel. I don't know if you've tried it before, or anybody who's watching, but it's really, really nice. Very good taste.
Interesting.
Oh, and some cola to go with it. What do you think?
Wow.
Good taste?
Very good.
Really, really good stuff, I think. Very, very well cooked. Well prepared.
Salted, well greased, and it...
Yeah. So I think this should all make for a good meal. Now.
We've also got these delicious looking shrimps in the chili sauce.
Yes.
So I think I'm going to go ahead and take 2 of these.
Oh, we tried this before, didn't we?
We did.
At a different place.
I wonder how these will compare to the other ones.
Can't imagine there'll be much of a difference.
Probably not, but who knows?
You know, visually they look similar.
Yeah. That is some good shrimp. I think the chili sauce might be a little bit sweeter at this one, but I don't know. It's not too different.
What about the spiciness level? Is it like the same, or is it weaker or stronger?
Very close. It might be just a tiny bit stronger.
Okay, so it's not much different from what you tried previously.
Yeah. It's not like it enough that it's setting me on fire or anything like that.
No, not at all. I mean, if my experience with the other dish we had is anything to go by, I can only imagine that it wouldn't set me on fire either.
Over here we've got some of the eggplant. We've got some eggplant with, I guess, a little bit of minced meat.
And chili sauce, I believe, or some kind of something like that. I believe that's what I read on the menu. So let's see how this goes.
About this one.
That's good to hear. What are your thoughts?
Yummy.
Really good.
Very good.
Oh, more duck this time.
So we got a couple more dishes. We got shrimp fried rice. Oh, there's a little bit of crab in there.
Excellent.
This is like what is this, like a
Chicken or beef?
I think that's like a tofu in a spicy sauce, and that's Peking Duck. Alright, so this is some delicious shrimp and crab rice. There's a delicious bit of moist crab in this bite. I gotta give this a try.
What do you think?
It's good. It's pretty well seasoned. I've got a nice amount of egg in it.
I think there's a bit of shrimp there too.
Yeah, this one's a nice shrimp.
Very nice.
Yummy.
Good, eh?
Alright, so now we've got the tofu and the chili sauce. I'm going to try this. It's good. I kind of like it how it's like the tofu has sort of a creamy texture, but then you've got like the chili sauce to sort of contrast it out a little bit. So actually work very well together.
That's perfect.
I do like tofu. All right, guys. So Luke and I just had a great meal at that restaurant.
Which was great. Very nice food.
A little expensive, but I'd say it's worth it.
Worth it in the end. Absolutely.
Yes.
And the weather here is now better. Because when we got here, it was wet.
Yeah, but now it's dry.
Which is excellent. Yeah, me too.
So look at this.
Rocks. They have like amethyst. Oh, these, isn't that lovely?
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Inside here, they've got like Chinese phone covers. Wow, look at those.
Are your birds?
I think so. I don't know if they're real birds or if it's a recording. It's probably a recording. Oh, they've got all sorts of bracelets.
Some amethyst here. Another material. Possibly jade.
A jade bracelet is really expensive.
They might have jade here.
Niyo Mayo Yusha. Niyo Yusha Ma. Looks like there's a lot of cool things to see in this shop.
Yeah, highly recommend it.
Oh, here's a nice temple here at Yokohama.
I like all the detail on the entrance here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Dragon.
So, I think we've done about enough in Chinatown for today.
Definitely.
So, what do you think of this Chinatown?
Yeah, it's nice. Quite a significant number of alleys, and as you mentioned in the shorts, quite a few stalls, gift shops and whatnots. Quite a lot of stuff you must try out. Nice variety of foods, gifts, whatever else.
Totally agree.
Absolutely. And of course, people.
Lots of people.
Lots of people. Makes the place quite lively, if I must.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment below.